Okay, this is trail marker 3, adding and deleting records. One thing I'm not sure if I covered on the last, at the end of trail marker 2, was that you were to close the tabs up here. So that guy, let's see, and okay, so they want you to close these up here. You can do that by clicking X or by right clicking and going to close. Okay, so just make sure that you have done that. So you should not have anything open. So what we're going to do now, though, is we're going to navigate through the data sheet to view different records and fields. So I want you to double click the states table icon to open it up, and you're going to tap Control END, and it's going to move you to the last field in the last record. So Control END moves you to the last field in the last record. Control Home moves you to the top field, first record. Okay. All right. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to tap the Tab key 3 times. 2, 3. Okay. So this is the statehood. This is when it became a state. Now you're going to tap the down arrow 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Into the fourth record. Tap the Shift Tab key twice to move it back to the state name. Okay, so again, that's just how you navigate through it. Now you're going to use the I-beam to the entity of origin field in the next record, and you're going to click to insert it. So there you go. All right, so Connecticut County. Hopefully that all made sense right there. All right, we're going to click the U.S. region field, the field selector, which is this whole guy, and it selects the entire column. All right, see how that works? Just like in Excel. And if you select any of these guys, it'll select the entire column, whatever row. Okay, so again, works just like selecting a row in Excel or selecting a column Excel. Okay, that should make sense. All right, I'm gonna tap the Control Home key to get me to the very top. All right, I'm gonna come down here in the navigation to the navigation buttons, and I'm gonna click Last Record. And the last record looks like that. Let me make sure I got there it is, last record. There you go. Now I'm going to click Previous Record. So the last record got me obviously to the last record of my database. Now I'm going to click the Previous Record button, and it's going to move me one record up. All right. Now I'm going to type in number 10 in the record number box in the navigation. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to type in 10. And it's going to take me to the 10th record. So you see, this is how you navigate through. Okay. And when you type in the record and hit enter, it'll take you to the 10th record. Again, hopefully that makes sense. Control Home. Let's get me to the top of the document. There we go. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click in the state name field. Just anywhere in there. Okay. I think I can even click on that. All right. Now I'm going to go into Find group and click the Find button. It's going to open up a dialog box. And I'm going to type in Ohio, O-H-I-O, click Find Next. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and close this. All right. and I'm going to type in 03 where it says statehood. So 03 01 1803. All right, so obviously there was a mistake, so that needed to be corrected. So 03 01 1803. I'm going to tap the down arrow to move to the next record, and now it's saved in there. All right, I'm going to click New Blank Record down here in the navigation pane, or the navigation area, and it's going to insert a new field. I'm going to tab over into the state name, and I'm going to type in Hawaii. My abbreviation is HI, and I'm going to add the remaining data for Hawaii. You're going to find that in your book. Okay, by the power of the computer, I have got all my information in. One thing I did though is I accidentally inserted a new field. I don't want to do that. So I'm in there and I'm going to go ahead and click delete. Well, it won't allow me to do it. We got to delete it though. So what's going on here? How come I can't delete that? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and delete it. And the reason why I couldn't delete it is when you're able to edit inside there, well, you can't delete anything. So I just have it highlighted now. Now I just had it. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, I was struggling to delete this, but maybe I don't have to. Okay, I can't seem to find it. All right, back at it. So what we need to do though is we're going to delete the duplicate record from Michigan. So I'm going to tap the Control Home key. All right, and I'm going to click the state name field for the first record. There it is. I'm going to click my Find button again, and this time I am going to find and replace. Find and replace. There we go. Just fine. I'm going to find Michigan. Okay. So there's one at 26. And then there's one all the way down here at 52. I'm going to cancel this now. And now I want to delete this record. And how do I do that? I'm going to click delete. Right there. Whoop. Delete record. That's what I wanted. You're about to delete a record? Yes, I am. And there you go. All right. That was trail marker 3.